I'm Ayobami Ojo.
I'm Robert Ajene.
I'm Mariam Tara-Koroma.
And we're doing the lab factors affecting reaction rates. So it looks like I have our well here, our 24 plate well. And so it looks like I placed 8 drops of potassium iodide. Okay. Okay, 2 drops of hydrochloric acid. Into the Ki solution. Okay, 2 drops into the same solution. 1, 2. Okay, and then add 4 drops of the starch to the Ki solution. Starch. Thank you. Starch solution. 4 drops. Same solution. Okay, and add 8 drops of.
That's the sodium thiosulfate.
Yeah. Sodium. Is it this one?
Yeah.
Oh, so sodium. Okay. And 8 drops to the solution. Okay. Okay, so that's 8 drops.
We need a syringe.
Okay, so the syringe is
We
swirl.
yeah.
Mix the solution, gently swirl in a small circle. Okay. And then with the syringe. Okay, we're going to need to pull 4 milliliters of hydrogen oxide. Hydrogen.
Hydrogen peroxide.
Oh, hydrogen peroxide.
4?
Yeah.
24.
Milliliters. You want to
24?
Yeah, 24. Oh, you want to do the honors?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. 0.4 milliliters.
You have a timer? I'll do it on my phone.
Okay. Okay, so that's how much I want. Dang, I haven't used syringes. And I don't know how to use
You started at the bottom and then you just pull it up to where
Guess
you
who's
want.
not pre-med?
it really isn't feedback. Oh man,
No, let me see.
Yeah.
Okay, so. But I can't see your point.
I know. I think we have
You
to
need to pour it into something.
We need to pour it into something. Oh, okay. I don't know. Like, I don't want to like. Okay, whatever. We can pour it into that. So 0.4 milliliters of that. Okay, that helps being able to see your solution.
Wait, but it doesn't look.
And so, so we put that into the same solution as well. Okay, wait. And okay, so as soon as you drop it in 0.4. Okay, he's gonna put a timer on. Okay.
Solution by gently swirling.
Okay.
Good. Okay.
Monitor the color. So
And the other one takes the turn dark blue.
dark blue. It's gonna take a while because it's clear.
There we go.
Oh, whoa! I glanced away and
Did you
it's
stop?
blue.
Okay.
So
I have
What was that,
18.31.
okay, record the amount of time it takes. Okay, and data table number 1. Data table number what? Where's data table number 1? Oh, there. Obviously, I knew where that was. Wait, that's data table number 2. Oh, there it is. My bad. So trial 1. What?
I think that was 4 drops of that, right? Oh no, not that one.
Because it says data table number 1. This is data table number 1, right?
Yeah.
So we should be looking at that. Sorry. Okay. It says right here. It says record the amount of time it takes for the entire solution to turn dark blue or black color in data table number 1.
Okay, so check how many drops of sodium.
Hey, we did 8 drops of that.
Okay, so 8 drops and it took 18 seconds.
Okay. Okay. That's how many? 18 point how many?
3-1.
Okay. And so.
And it says that.
So if then no additional calibration trials are necessary. Okay. Then no. If the solution took less, no. Record the number of drops of sodium used to achieve the approximately 20-second change. This is the number of drops that will be used in all subsequent experiments. So the number of drops it took of sodium thiosulfate.
It was 8 for all of them there.
Yeah, so basically, since it took 18 seconds, then that data table.
Okay.
So how many drops will be used in the remaining experiments? 8 drops, correct?
Yeah. I wonder if we could fill all that up. Well, maybe we should move this way.
Yeah. Okay, so that was activity number 1. We are now doing activity number 2, concentration. So, let's see. The calibration activity, which we just did, isn't specified.
Okay, so we just do the same thing but with these numbers.
Okay, so trial number 1. Okay, and for the water, we're going to need pure water. So like bottled water. Which I should go get.
If you need room temperature 1, it's in the pantry.
Okay, it's fine. This is like pure water, right? Even though it's been open.
Sure, yeah. I didn't drink out of it.
Okay, so the first, we can start with like this well, the second well. So the first one is Ki, 8 drops of that, which is sodium. Wait, no, Ki is potassium. Right? So 8 drops of that. 1, 2. So 8 drops. And then 2 HCl, hydrochloric acid. Okay, 2 starch 4. Starch and water 0, and so what was it that we needed to add it to turn? So hydrogen peroxide, we needed 0.4 milliliters. Do you want to get 0.4 milliliters for me? And then I guess, do we have to time it? Record the reaction rates for each of these trials in data table number 2. So we can just go ahead and write the reaction rates for each one here and then transfer it over. This data table number 2. Data table number 2, so drops, which would all be 8. I'm presuming the time 2. What does that mean? Time 1, time 2.
I guess you.
Do we do it twice? Because we
Yeah,
do
I
it
guess,
twice
'cause
because
you're gonna have
average
to
time,
average it, so.
average time, and then the rate. Okay. So we can just write it here and then do the average times, like, twice, and then yeah. So you got 4 milliliters. It's gonna go here. You want to get your timer handy. Okay. Okay.
That was.
1.62 seconds.
Okay.
Jesus. Alright.
Oh yeah. So for the first trial, 1.62. Okay. And I'll go ahead and repeat that same one. Okay, so this will be like same. So second trial of that one. So 8 of potassium. I don't know, I feel like this video is going too long. I think we could just like cut it up. Is that possible?
Yeah, iMovie or like editing,
Okay, 8 drops H2O2. 2 drops. And starch is 4. Starch 4. Okay. And when you're ready. And when you're ready. 0.4. Okay. Okay. 1.08. Okay. And so this will be trial number 2 now, which will be 8, 2, and 4 again. Okay.
Well, I think isn't that like it's not indeed supposed to be that's trial 1, that's trial
I see what you're saying. I thought it was like, okay, I see what you're saying. So this, it's just like 1.6 and 1.0. The being right next to it. Okay, that makes sense. And then, so the next one is 6, 2, 4. So 6, got it. And then 6, okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 6 in here and 6 in here because it's going to be the same instead of every time. Six. Okay. That was 6. 2 hydrochloric. Okay. And 4 starch. Okay. So now 4 milliliters hydrogen peroxide. Okay, wait, hold on. Yeah. Took a little longer.
I might have pressed it slower. But it was with that 1.83.
1.83.
Yeah.
Fourth trial. Okay.
I feel like
I feel it took a little longer.
Okay, would you want to get that 1.73?
Yeah.
Okay.
We could do 1.3. Okay, and the next one will be 424, and then we're gonna use droplets of water. So I guess we can use a pipette. Yeah, we can use a pipette for the water. That works. Okay, so it is we're trial number 5. So 4. Okay, Four, okay, and then HEL, and that is two drops. And then
It's cool. They'll call back.
4 drops of
I
starch.
don't think we have to record like the whole thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so pause it now.
Yeah.
Like turn off.